Place the metal strapping tape on the items to be packed, and press the handle and body of the machine with your hands to lift the pressure. We'll then press the strapping tape into the fuselage. Swing the machine handle until the steel strap is tightened, and then press the machine handle to a lower position. It is not recommended to press the machine handle to an extremely low position, otherwise, the pressing wheel will be lifted and the packing iron sheet will be loosened. Place the strapping buckle on the iron belt and, once the desired tension is reached, seal it with pliers. Remove machine. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can use the steel strip scissors to cut the steel strip and reattempt